Have you ever wondered how to make money with ChatGPT? Welcome to a world of possibilities where technology meets creativity and where the future of income generation is being rewritten. ChatGPT, a groundbreaking conversational AI developed by OpenAI, isn't just a platform for engaging dialogues. It's also a launchpad that opens up diverse streams of income. Today, we're going to delve into the ways you can harness these opportunities. First up, we have freelance writing and content creation. ChatGPT can be a potent ally for generating high-quality content. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, polishing up your prose, or streamlining your content creation process, ChatGPT has got your back. Think about offering services like blog post writing, product descriptions, social media content, and even ebook creation on freelance platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr, or directly to clients. Picture this. I used ChatGPT to enhance my writing skills, offered content creation services on freelancing platforms, and within a month, secured multiple clients and started earning a steady income. Next, consider developing chatbots and AI solutions. As businesses increasingly seek out AI-driven solutions, chatbots for customer service, sales, and engagement are in high demand. With ChatGPT's capabilities, you can design and develop chatbots that present a lucrative opportunity. Imagine this scenario. I harnessed ChatGPT's conversational abilities to create a customer service chatbot for a local business. It streamlined their customer interactions and also became a revenue source as other businesses showed interest in similar solutions. Then, there's the option of creating online courses and tutorials. Share your expertise with the world with ChatGPT as your teaching assistant. Whether you're adept at teaching a language, programming, or any other skill, ChatGPT can help in content generation and student interaction. Here's an example. I used ChatGPT to assist in creating an online coding course. Its knack for simplifying complex concepts attracted a large audience, and I started earning through course sales and subscriptions. Finally, consider affiliate marketing and content monetization. You can include affiliate links or advertisements within content created with the help of ChatGPT. This strategy can earn you passive income every time someone purchases a recommended product through your content. While ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in your money-making journey, remember that success often requires dedication, creativity, and consistent effort. Experiment with different approaches, leverage the AI's capabilities, and adapt to what works best for you. So, are there any particular questions or ideas you'd like to explore about earning money with ChatGPT? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this content helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tips. Until next time, keep exploring and innovating.